guys, my name is Rosie from Burnley Youth Theatre. Hello and welcome to our second BYT challenge. So last week Taylor asked you to create some puppets from your household items. So I don't know about you guys, but I've been very busy and I can't wait to show you mine. So let's have a look at our puppet characters. First of all, I've got my lovely egg carton that has turned into a monster with sharp teeth and a tongue. And next I changed the toilet roll and the plastic bag into a lovely fish. So today we're going to look at some ways we can start to bring these characters to life, looking at the movement of the puppet, the voice, and then finding out who these characters are. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to figure out how to do is how to hold our puppet for performance. So I've got my monster puppet. I'm going to get one hand underneath to hold him nice and safe, and the other hand is going to find where my puppet moves from. So with this puppet, it is all about the mouth. So I'm going to find the hinge of my egg box, put my thumb on top and my finger underneath the top section, and then I should be quite easily able to move his mouth up and down like that. So then we face back to the front, and as you can see, there's my monster's mouth moving, and my hand is quite hidden at the back. But if it isn't totally hidden, we're not going to worry too much about that, because the next trick is to give the puppet our eye contact. So when we're being a puppeteer and using a puppet, it's important to give the puppet our eye contact, because wherever our eyes are looking, so the audiences will be as well. And the puppet is always the most important thing. So we want to make sure our attention is on the puppet. Good. Another important thing to remember is our puppet is alive. It's a live creature that breathes as well as us. So have a go at breathing with your puppet. And when we're breathing, we're never still. We're always moving just a little bit. We're never, as soon as we're still, there's nothing happening. But if we're looking at our puppet, the mouth can move and it's breathing, it's alive. Let's have a look at our second puppet. So we're going to start again with the eye contact. So where is your puppet looking? Follow their eyes and then you make eye contact. And then we're going to go straight into the breath with this one. So give your fish a bit of a breath. Now we don't have a mouth to move up and down here with this puppet, but what we do have to play with is speed. So I want you to have a go and see how speed affects this puppet when you move slowly or fast. Can you move slow and fast? Now have a play with all of those things and a practice with both of your puppets. With the movement of our puppet, it's on to the next step, which is voice. Finding the voice of our puppet. Now there's no rule with this one, only to be playful and have fun trying as many different voices as you possibly can. So today we're going to do that by saying hello. So first, as we begin to say hello, we've just learned to move our mouths up and down, but we're going to be careful not to get in the habit of just speaking like this, because when we speak hello, we don't speak by closing our mouth up and down like that. So when we say hello, it kind of goes up, up, and then down at the end of the word. And that, can you see, that just makes it a little bit more natural rather than hello, 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 hello. We go hello, hello. Perfect. So now we've got hello, our nice mouth movement. We're going to think about trying different voices. So the first voice we can try is the deepest voice you can do. Right down from your knees. Say hello, hello, hello. Good. And then the next voice we might go a little bit higher, maybe from your knees, not your toes this time. Hello, hello, hello. Next from your tummy. Hello, hello, hello. Your chest. Hello, hello, hello. Your chin. Hello, hello, hello. Your nose. Hello, hello, hello. Your eyes. Hello, hello, hello. Then the top of your head. Hello, hello, hello. 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 Ooh. Ah. Da 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 da. So now you've tried all those different levels, it's time to take it to the next step, which is finding the character's voice. Now, the character's voice might be a mixture of all of those different pitches that you've just explored, or it might really suit one. But it's really up to you and your puppet to just play around and see what suits it best. So we might start with a low voice again. Hello, hello, or I might even come up here a little bit to my nose, and I really want to find out my puppet's name. I want to give my puppet a name now to start to build this character. So I know I am a monster. It's a monster, and my name is Martin. Martin. Hello, my name is Martin. And once you've got a name for your character, so this is Martin. Thank you for telling me, Martin. We need to find out what our character wants. So what does our character want more than anything else in the world? McDonald's. It was McDonald's. Hello, my name is Martin and I want McDonald's. 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 So now we're going to start to think about bringing all of those things together. So the movement, the voice, and our character, who they are and what do they want. So let's have a look at our fish. And instantly with the fish, she makes me, I think she's a she, makes me move in this kind of movement, almost as if we're under the sea on a wave. So what I'd like you to do now is play with all of those different voices, so the high and the low, and also the speed, so the fast and the slow, and see how they can affect and make different interesting characters. So first I'm going to try a high voice for the fish with a fast movement. Let's see how that is. Hello, my name is Francine and I'm looking for my friends. Okay, now I'm going to try a low voice with a slow speed. Hello, my name is Francine and I'm looking for my friends. Nice, now I'm going to try a low voice with a fast speed. Hello, my name is Francine and I'm looking for my friends. Now I'm going to try a high voice with a slow speed. Hello, my name is Francine and I'm looking for my friends. See See, so there are so many different versions you could try. So you choose the version that you like best for your character.
My name is Martin, and really like McDonald's. Yeah.
So hopefully there's loads of ideas there of different ways you can find characters with your puppets. So important to remember who you are, what their name is, and what do they want or what are they looking for. Then after that, you can be as creative as you like and find out as much of their story as you possibly can. Where have they come from? Where are their family? And what is it that they're looking for? And keep playing with different voices and different movements. And above all, just remember to keep having fun. So our top tips for puppetry as well, when you think about performing back, don't forget the eye contact and just keep practicing. And remember, the puppeteer is always the least important part. So your challenge now is to get your creations that you started for our first BYT challenge and bring your characters to life. And now you can record yourself just like I've done today and send those back to us. Or you could even write the backstory of your character and introduce us to who they are. So you could either send that in writing with some pictures or film it just like I've done today.
Be creative, have fun, and tune in to next week's BYT challenge. Bye!